2.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have some very exciting news today. We have Mr. Wendell here to talk about the 990. I'll do a little intro first before we get started on all this exciting stuff here. We will be talking about the 990, as I said. But we do have a few other things we'll get to a little later. So if you're afraid you're going to miss the fabric, don't worry, we'll get there in a minute. We also have some exciting news for Whatnot. We will be doing Christmas in July. So don't miss that. We'll have a link for you for there to come join us. We'll have lots of great sale items relating to Christmas. So it's going to be very, very fun. So definitely don't miss that. It's later today, 4 p.m. as usual. So definitely come join us for that. And without further ado, here is Wendell with the new 990.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. This is day 3 of the happiest place on earth, and that would be the Quilting Bee. Of course, you've probably heard we got the first 990 top of the line Bernina in. We've been playing around with it. We're having so much fun. We've had a lot of people stop by and take a look at it, compare it possibly to the 880 or the 790. People are absolutely amazed what it can do, all of the features that it has. It's extremely user-friendly, has a big 10-inch iPad screen here. It has all of the familiar status bars and everything that you're used to, the knobs for adjustment. It looks a little daunting, but it's not. It's actually one of the most user-friendly machines I've seen out yet. We love it. Let me point out the hoop here. This is also big news. This is the giant hoop, which is enormous. I see a placemat coming, by the way. I've already got ideas in my head. This is 12 by 16.1, so you can do an entire 12-inch quilt block, which I know all of our embroidery people are absolutely going to love. Of course, the suitcases has the trolley bag, the embroidery bag, and the accessory bag. They're all on wheels, so they roll effortlessly. The machine, after setting it up on Monday, it looks big. It is big, but it doesn't really feel that overwhelming. It doesn't feel that much bigger than the 880 does. It's a few pounds heavier, so don't let that steal your thunder. But can't say enough good about it. We've had amazing things done already on it. I'm doing some freestanding lace. I know we feel the love, so that's what we're working on today. And I also wanted to make a big shout out for next week, next Friday, July the 26th. Sandra Swick from Bernina International is going to be here, and she's going to be doing a lecture demo on the 990. We have slots available from 9 to 12, 1 to 4, and 5 to 8. We've got lots of room, although it is filling up. And she's just going to be here talking about the machine, showing all of its features and functions. She's an expert. She's fresh from Bernina University and Bernina of America in Aurora. She's very well versed on the machine. So I'm really excited to have her here. She's going to answer some questions of the staff because we're trying to get up to speed too. And you can maybe jot down questions that you have. She can do comparisons from this machine to other machines that are out there on the market. She will have a whole program for us. You're welcome to bring a friend if you like, or a husband, more the merrier. So be sure and give us a call if you want to join. There's no charge. And again, it's from 9 to 12, and 1 to 4, and 5 to 8 next Friday, July the 26th. We're going to have a good time. I hope to see you here. And just call and let us know. Again, there's no fee, but we'd like to know that you're coming. All right.
Okay, thank you so much, Wendell, for going over that. I got a little demo from him the other night. It was fantastic. Really are some amazing features. It is outstanding. We're just super excited to have it in. So definitely come on in, take a look. As you can see, it's right here in the entryway. We gave it its own little setup here. So definitely stop on by. We'll answer all your questions, and yes, definitely ask about the event next Friday to come get a little demo on it with Sandra, which is fantastic. Okay, so we are going to jump into our regular sort of scheduled programming, which we'll start off right here with our notion of the week. This week we did all kinds of purple and blue notions to kind of celebrate the 990. So we've got, all these wonderful purple and blue notions because, with the Bernina Create Your Magic, they kind of went with this really beautiful blue and purple color scheme. So we're playing along with that. So lots of great useful things there. And to kind of also fit the same theme as our Christmas in July, which we're going to be doing a little later on Whatnot, we have as our kit of the week, Ombre Flurries here. This is a Moda kit that uses the beautiful ombre fabric that we absolutely love. There's beautiful gold metallic on here. Beautiful, fun, cheerful, Christmassy quilt for sure. So this will be on Whatnot later today as well with that 20% off. So definitely stop by on there, or if you're in the store, you can come check it out in person. Okay, and we are actually doing another kit of the week. We have 2 this week, and the next one is this beautiful wool tree skirt, which was originally set up as kind of a block of the month. So you can do each little motif here 1 month at a time if you'd like, or you can do it all together. But it creates this absolutely beautiful tree skirt here. It was designed by Rebecca here at the Quilting Bee. She did a beautiful job on this. And this will also be 20% off this week as well, and we will also have it on Whatnot later today. Okay, and we thought we would show off because we kind of had mainly all that 990 information at the very beginning of today's show. We decided to do a little bit different stuff with the fabric. We're going to save some of the new fabric for next week and show off some of the fabric that we're going to have later today on Whatnot. So if we work our way back into our sale hauls here, you can see all of this beautiful Christmas fabric that is just looking for a home. And we will have special pricing on these on Whatnot as well. So we're going to be doing yardage. We'll have some bundles. We have pre-cuts. We have kits. Lots of wonderful goodies will be on there later today. As you can see, we've got some of those things displayed here. We've got all of our Santa sacks here in various prints. We'll have those later today. Those are fantastic gift bags. All of that. We've got all the yardage here. Then we've got even more yardage on the other side here as well. So we've got even more. Like I said, we're going to be doing some special pricing on these. So if you're looking to get a great deal on some Christmas themed prints, to get a head start on some stuff, today is going to be a really awesome, fun day for that. Okay, so we're going to work our way up to the counter where I have even more little goodies that we're going to have later today. So if you've ever watched our Whatnot, you'll know that we love to do mystery fat quarter bags. So basically, I will set up all of these little bags with a theme, and there will be mystery prints, and you can sort of auction style bid on whichever theme you would like, and you get to choose. So today we have all mystery fat quarter bags with Christmas holiday themes. So that's going to be very, very fun. Really looking forward to that. And then we also decided to do some fun little mystery kits as well. So we have the Eve pillow, so we have some fat quarters to make that you get all of the main prints that you need in the pattern. And then the folded star ornament is, we have a few kits of those too. And those are kind of going to be similar to the mystery fat quarter bags, but they've got more of a specific idea in mind for those ones. So it's going to be very fun. We're really looking forward to it. Christmas in July. It'll be lots of fun. So please join us. There should be a link here to bring you over to Whatnot. If you don't know how to get the app, you can find the instructions on our website. It'll tell you how to download it, how to play along, so to speak. So definitely do that. We would really love if you would come join us and hang out with us for the afternoon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today. Thank you to Wendell for giving us a little demo on the new 990. We are super excited about that. Be sure to call about our event next Friday for the demos with Sandra Swick, because she is going to be so knowledgeable coming back from BU and Burning of America with all of her special tips and tricks for the new machine. So give us a call. We can sign you up for any of those 3 dates that Wendell mentioned or times that Wendell mentioned at the beginning of the video. And yeah, we'd be happy to sign you up for any of those. Thank you so much for watching. I think that's it for us today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we will answer those shortly. So thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of your week.